Okay, okay. All right, all right. Nice! Oh, looks beautiful. Good eat right there, huh? Nice. Okay, okay. I'll go. I really love coming out here and riding, but it's the first time I've been out here since my dog died last year, and we used to come out here together all the time, ride these trails. He would chase squirrels. This is Fall Creek Falls, Tennessee. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Wow. like I'm in a storm. Weatherman Howie, we're in the middle of a hurricane. Really coming down out here. Holy moly! I almost forgot. I used to have a bamboo flute that I would always take with me when I traveled, and I would love to take it to waterfalls and play it, but I can't find it. I don't know where it went. But when I was in El Salvador, it was in WildYield, and where I bought my necklace. I also bought this. It's some sort of a bird call or some sort of ancient clay. The guy said it was ancient, but I don't know. But it's beautiful and old. It almost looks like an elephant, right? It's got a little hole right there and a hole in the bottom. I don't know if you can see it. It's getting kind of dark. But it's really cool, and I wanted to bring it out here and play it and see what it sounded like. It kind of sounds like a mourning dove or something like that. So. Sounds like a dove, right? I love it. Really cool. I love this thing. I can actually talk to mourning doves now. I actually went back and forth with one for like 15 minutes one day when I was in El Salvador. He called me and I called him, he called me and I called him, back and forth. It was pretty neat. I better get out of here. It's getting dark.